So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so grateful that you're coming back to watch my video. And today it's another vlog. We're going to be cooking something special, something I've been trying for. So we're going to be cooking omena. The ingredients that I'm going to be requiring is garlic, a seasoning Rico cube, lemon, we have coriander or dhania, we have tomatoes. So on to our first step. We are going to be selecting omena from unwanted like shells, any dirt from omena. Let's do that. So on to our second step, we're going to be soaking our omena onto a very hot water. And we really want, I know most of us, we don't like the smell of omena, but for us to at least get it to eliminate the smell, we want to add the lemon. Let me show you. So the lemon is here. Remove the seed. Then squeeze the juice onto our omena. So on to our next step, we're going to be prepping our vegetables. So I'm going to be adding more hot water, just like a minute also. Let me set them aside. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt faster. seasoning cube. So let's go in with our lemon. Just let them simmer in a few seconds.